Eliana. Hi, Eliana.
Yeah.
As we wait for Agnes to come, can you remember the Kikuyu pharaohs?
Yeah.
Yeah, which were they?
A, E, O, U, A, no, E, O.
Yeah, good. I can see you can remember that they were A, E, O, U, A, O. Okay. Yeah, and the best way to learn them is to keep on practicing.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can keep on practicing from time to time so that you don't forget them, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and another question to see if you still remember. How do you call grandmother in Kikuyu?
Shosho.
Grandfather?
Kuka.
Uka. Okay. Uncle?
Say Fafa.
Fafa is father.
We forgot.
You forgot. Okay, no problem. So, uncle is mama.
Oh.
Yeah, mama. Can you repeat that?
Mama.
Yeah, good, like that. And auntie. In Kikuyu?
Baba.
Yes, tata. Tata. And so today actually I will be adding more so that you may know how you call your brother, your sister. Who is the other person that you are fond of meeting?
Mother and father.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Mother and father, we already did it. Mother is
Mireku. Mireku.
a little bit. You may have forgotten, but so mother is Maito.
Oh yeah, Maito.
Yeah, Maito. And for father, you heard it. Father?
Fafa.
Yes, Fafa. So just note the sound is wrong, like Fafa. Okay, repeat that.
Fafa.
Yeah, like that. Fafa. Good. So I don't know where Agnes is. Is she still coming?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember our tongue twister? Do you remember the tongue twister that we had? The tongue twister. We had tongue twister in the last class. Do you remember it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you try it? Okay. I can see that both of you have joined in the same. Agnes, are you having a problem with your...
I don't have the link.
You don't what? You don't have what?
The link.
I can actually give it to you here. Do you know how to open it?
No.
No. Okay, but you know how to open a browser, right? Actually, the one that I've shared there is the link. Can you see that one? That message I've sent there. That's the one that you need to open it. But it is okay. If maybe it will be, maybe then, Ariana, we can still use the same camera, but then could you please disable the autopilot that you are in so that I can see your faces? Because for now, I can see Agi is flickering in and out. I can't see her. You can just disable those beautiful pictures there. Those background effects. Yeah, nice one. Now I can see all of you. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
You are in the class today. Remind me your name.
My name is Mark.
Mark, yeah, okay, Mark. Okay.
My name goes back Domo.
Okay. Okay, that's good. So, welcome again. So, Agnes, we were just doing some divisions here and there. And for today, sorry you guys, I know there was some problem here and there, so everything was not set up in time. But we are just revising on what we had last time. Again, Agnes, have you gone? What is Agnes Amanda? Okay. But then it's okay. We can just proceed with one camera, no problem, don't worry. Domo. Yes, karibu sana, karibu sana. Do you go to school?
Yeah.
What's the name of your school?
Mount Story.
Oh, wow, wonderful. What's the name of your teacher?
Sister Susan.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. So, welcome. Okay. So, Rihanna and Agnes, are you trying something?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So, has it worked? Okay, I can see Agi has left. Okay, I can see her joining here. Okay. Okay, here is Agnes. Okay, a good one. I can see you guys are becoming IT experts. So that's good. Okay, that's okay. So I can see now Agnes is on her own camera and Eliana na Dongo wako pamoja pale. So good. So I know you have taken some time doing some revision with Jerry. So now let's just go to today's lesson. And because I want to confirm that Agnes, we can hear you clearly from your side. Could you kindly read what you can see on the presentation?
Wirute Gikuyu Kiega na Ticha Matio.
Okay, good. Okay, good. I can see that we are together. That was to confirm that the camera, your camera, is working correctly. So, okay, no problem. So this is what we had. We were revising with Jerry. Yeah, and now the most important thing that we'll be repeating from time to time is Kikuyu farewells. So I know Jerry Jerry had already read them. So can we hear from you, Agnes?
Okay. A, E, I, O, U, I, O.
Okay, good. You only missed the two. So, Jerry, I know you had read them. Gashari gaito dhoma rĩngĩ. Read again, Jerry.
A, E, I, O, U, A, O.
Yeah. So this is how you read them. Let me just read it for all of you. Thank you, Jerry. The first one is A, 2, E, 3, E, next, O, next, U, and the last two that we always forget from time to time, but don't worry, we'll get them. They are read like this. A, O, can we say that? A, O. Let us repeat that, please. A, O. Thank you, Domo. I can hear you. A, O. Yeah, for instance, how do you call a boy in Kikuyu? Like Dongo is a boy. So in Kikuyu you say Kahe. What about a girl who knows? Any idea?
Kaha.
It still starts with Ka.
Kaha.
Kairetu. Kairetu. Say Kairetu. 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 Boy is boy.
Kairenu.
No, let us not forget. Domo, where we Kahe. Yeah, good. Yeah, Kahe, boy. Kairetu, girl. Yeah, Kairetu. Kahe, boy. Kahe, Kairetu. Kahe, Kairetu. Yes, that's how you say a boy, a girl. So let's change a little bit and learn some basic greetings, so that next time if you receive a greeting, you'll be able to give an answer. Okay. So first we start with the ones that are quite common and easy. We start with Eliana. Can you read the first one?
Wemwega.
It is said like this. Wemwega. Can we all say that? Wemwega. Dongo. Yeah, yes, like that, Dongo. Wemwega. And then if someone tells you Wemwega, this is how you answer them. You say Edemwega. Yeah. So next time when someone comes and greet you, Wemwega, how will you answer them? Yeah, you say Edemwega. Yeah, quite simple. So, but if you are many, for example, for now we have Dongo, we have Agi, and we have Eliana. So if you are many, this is how you greet. I will greet you. That is the plural. Those who have learned plural. So you say more ega. First, let's repeat the greeting. More ega. And now all of you will say Etore ega. Etore ega. Yeah, so when you are just yourself or you are just greeting a single person, you just say we mwega, and then the answer mwega. Someone is creating some echoes. I don't know who. Eliana, are you the one making some echoes? Eh? Okay, no problem. A computer there is making some echoes, but no problem. I think they are gone, so we can continue with the class. So the first greeting we have said. Let's start with Agnes. Can you try and greet me in Kikuyu? I'm just alone here.
Okay. Mwega.
Ede mwega. Now, let me greet you back. Agnes we mwega.
Diega mwega.
Ede mwega.
Ede mwega.
Yeah, like that. Ede mwega, correct. Dongo.
Yeah.
We mwega. You say de mwega.
Okay. Ede
mwega.
Yeah, like that. Eliana, can you greet me in Kikuyu? We mwega. That's how you say it. It's a question. It's like a question. Yeah, and then I will say de mwega. Yeah. So the other common greeting is uhoro waku. Can you say that? Uhoro waku. Uhoro waku. And then the answer is Nemwega. Yeah, so uhoro waku nemwega. Eliana, you are moving too much. I don't know what is happening. You are moving too much. Anyway, uhoro wanyu, that is now in plural, and all of you will say yeah. Uhoro wanyu Eliana, Dongo, na Jerry, na Agnes. Yeah, nemwega. So a very simple greeting. So if someone comes to you next time and they greet you, we mwega, you just simply tell them ede mwega. Yeah, ede mwega. The other greeting that we have there is a very casual one. Kwero atea. And then what's the answer? Nekwega. Yeah, nekwega. So we mwega, ede mwega. Uhoro waku nemwega, and you can add there if you want to say good very much. So you add and say nemwega muno. Or you can say de mwega muno. Yeah, if someone asks you we mwega, you can say simply de mwega, or you can say de mwega muno. Yeah, kwaro atea. Nekwega. Let's add that muno. Nekwega muno.
Nekwega muno.
Yeah, nikwega muno. Good one. So the greeting that I'm showing you here, these are casual. So these are not like the official one. So like they are for people that you know, people that are your friends. But maybe if you are visiting your grandmother or such, or you want to greet someone who is the age of your mother, as we learned the other time, in Kikuyu we respect our elders, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and just to note for you, we talked about Maito. Who is Maito, Eliana?
Our mother.
Yes, our mother. So, when we are talking about Maito, actually, you should use the same word for any woman who is of the age of your mother, okay?
Okay.
Maito is everybody of the age of your mother. Are you together? The same with our. Who is our? Agnes. Our. Our.
Mom.
Eh?
Our mom.
Our mom. Our mom is Maito. What about our? Not really. So our is father.
Our father.
Yeah, our father. Thank you, Dungo. So our father. Okay. So the same word, our, you will use it for anybody, for anybody else. Don't make noise. So our, you will use that word when you are referring to anybody who is the age of your father. Okay.
Okay.
That's how we demonstrate respect in Kikuyu, okay? So the same respect you give to your father, the same respect you give to your mother, you need to give the same respect to anybody who is of their age, okay?
Okay.
The other words that we had was for grandmother. So grandmother, Domo. How do we say grandmother in Kikuyu?
That's all.
Let me help by Agi.
What he said.
Grandmother.
That's all.
Shosho. Can you say that, Domo? Shosho. Yeah, Shosho. That's grandmother. But then you use the same word to refer to anybody who is the age of your. Yes, good. So let's now go to the official greetings that we will use then. First, let us understand these words. Who is that making noise? So the first word we have learned today, one of the new words that we have, although we heard it last time, is Maito. Maito means mother. Okay? The other word that we have is our father. Dirito. This now we do have it. Dirito now. This is now when you are talking like you have a girl who is of your age. Okay? That is dirito. Now again you have another word there. Wakine. Now boys who are of the same age. Okay? So dirito is for females. Wakine is for yeah, for males. So don't forget that. The other one that we have there is orata. Orata in a big aspect refers to friendship. Okay? For example, murata wakwa. Can you say that? Murata wakwa. What does it mean? Murata wakwa. Murata wakwa. Gashari Tagaria. Gashari, can you try? Murata wakwa. What do you think that word means?
We have friendship.
Friendship.
We have friendship.
Murata wakwa.
We have friendship.
We have friendship. Okay, thank you, thank you. Let's hear from Agnes. Agnes, let's hear from you.
My friend.
Yeah, actually it means my friend. Thank you. You got it. Murata wakwa, my friend. For example, murata wakwa mwega, my good friend. Murata wakwa, my friend. Okay? So urata means friendship. Okay? Urata mwega, good friendship. And then the other one that we have there is oiru.
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 Oiru is bad. Oiru means jealousy. Jealousy. Yeah, it means jealousy. Jealousy. Oiru. Yes, I have another person here who is greeting the class. He doesn't know how to speak yet. Say hi. Wasalimie hivi.
Hi.
Greet them like this. Yeah, this is my little son here. He is just 1.5 years old. Can you say hi? Just say hi.
Hi.
He's just watching. Okay, good. So those are the words that we'll be using in greetings, okay? Let me give you the answers to those ones. So we have them here. Nice one. There are the meaning in English. We have Maito,
Mother.
our
Mother.
father. Vito,
Father.
Wakine,
Agreement.
age mate. Age mate ni mtu alika moja na wewe, sawa? Urata, okay. Oiru, jealousy. So none of us should be jealous. Jealous is bad. Okay? Yeah, we need to be good friends. We need to be in orata mwega. Let's try this one. Shosho. Who is Shosho?
My grandmother.
Aya, grandmother. Wuka.
Grandfather.
Eliana Adieko. Where did Eliana go?
He went to get something.
Okay. Mama. 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 Dugu is trying. Mama.
Good.
Who is Mama?
Our mama.
No. Our mom is Maito. Mama. Can we ask Agnes to help you? Agnes, can you help Dongo? Mama.
Ayoyo.
Agnes, can you help Dongo to know who is Mama?
Remember myself.
I can't hear you, Agnes.
I don't remember.
You don't remember. You just forgot it again. Mama, uncle.
Mama, uncle.
Mjomba. Kwa Kiswahili, mjomba.
No, I thought I was going to say uncle, but then I thought
I can't hear you clearly. You are so far from the microphone. I can only hear Dongo. Oh, yaki sikusiki. Nasikia tu Dongo. Wacha Dongo aongee na ingine.
I was going to say
Yeah.
uncle, but then I thought it was a female, so then I didn't say.
Okay, I get it. Don't fear, don't fear. Here we have words that keep on changing. I know when you go to Swahili, mama means something else. But now, in Kikuyu, mama is uncle. And uncle is actually the brother to who?
Your mom.
Yeah, good, yeah, you got it right. Brother to your mother, that is mama. What about brother to your father?
Grandpa.
Eh? How do you call brother to your father?
Papa.
Actually, the same way Eliana is saying, bado ni fafa. So if the brother to your father is younger, you say fafa mo nyinyi.
Papa.
If he is the older brother of your father, that is fafa mo koro. Yeah. What about the sister to your father? Let's try these words. Sister to your father.
Tata.
No. Tata is sister actually to your mother again. What about sister to your father?
Kaka.
Actually, Maito. It is still Maito. If she is younger than your mother, that is Maito Monini.
Maito Muni.
If she is older, Maito Mokoro.
Maito Mokoro.
Yeah, nice one. So, just remember those words. But at any time you can still call them auntie, tata, no problem, okay?
Okay.
But the wife, but you never call tata, like the wife to your father, you never call them tata. Are we together? Those one you still refer to them as maito, okay? Brothers will still be referred as Fafa Munika Fafa Mokoro. Yeah, and you can see that Eliana is frozen. I don't know what's going on. Anyway, let's continue. So we have the other word there, Morwa Maito. Can you try? Who is Morwa Maito?
Your dad's older sister.
Murwa Maito. Actually, Murwa Maito, maybe you can stop putting the good animations. They will disrupt you later on. They use a lot of bandwidth, so they can make the crash. Yeah, you can just stay like that. I don't know where Yana has gone. I don't know. I hope she is still there.
Yeah, she's here.
What's happening? She has left the class.
Where have you left the class? Oh, her computer ran out of battery.
Oops. Maybe she getting a charger for it?
Yeah, she already got it.
Okay. As she continue turning on the laptop, let's continue. Maybe she will catch up. So Moro means son. Moro, son. Have you got that one? Moro. So Moro Maito means son of your mother. Who is the son of your mother?
Max.
Yes, and how do you say that in English?
Your...
Son of my mother.
Yeah. My brother.
Yeah, good, brother. So Moro Maito actually means brother. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Mwari wa Maito. Mwari is daughter. Mwari wa Maito means daughter of my mother. Who is daughter of your mother?
Me, Gashari, and Kenya.
So how do you call them in English?
Sister.
Yeah, so Mwari wa Maito actually means sister. So Mwari wa Maito, my sister. Okay? Yes, my sister. I hope Kasheri is turning on the laptop. so that we don't leave her so behind. So mwale, daughter. Muro, son. Yeah. So muro wa maito, my brother. Mwale wa maito, my sister. Yeah. We will come back to this one so that Gasheri can get them. Let's try something else here. So you have, these are the answers to those words that we had. So now when we go to greetings, we will use those words, okay, for the official greetings. Like you are greeting someone in an official way, not just casually, okay? So the first one that we have there is wake ya shosho.
Wake ya shosho.
Yes, wake ya shosho. I can see Eliana is. Gasheri. Welcome back. I'm told your laptop went out of power. Okay. Let's first go here and justify what we were learning here with Agnes. So we had these words. I know you didn't get Moro. Moro means son. Can you repeat that? Moro means sons, okay? Son, like Moro Amaito, son of my mother.
Moro Maito.
Moro Amaito.
Moro Maito.
Moro wa.
Moro wa Maito.
Yeah, like that. Moro Amaito. Who is son of your mother?
Mwari wa Maito.
No, pass. I'm asking, who is the son of your mother?
Max.
Yeah, and how do you say that in English?
Max is the son of
Is your brother. Yeah, so Muruamaito means brother. Okay?
brother.
Yeah, so if you want to say my brother in Kikuyu, you say Muruamaito.
Muroto.
So you can simply say Muruamaito etago Max.
Muromaito etago Max.
Or in Kikuyu you say Muruamaito etago Dongo. Okay? So the other one that we have there is Mwale. Mwale means daughter. Okay?
Mwari.
Yeah. So Mwale wa Maito actually means daughter of my mother. Who is daughter of my mother?
Mwari wa Maito.
Yeah. Who is daughter of my mother?
Agnes, Max, and Ken.
How do you call them in
Agnes,
English?
Kenya, and
How do you call them in English?
Agnes.
Yes.
Agnes.
What's the word? Agnes is my
Sister.
yeah, good. So Mwale wa Maito means sister. So if you want to say, for example, if you are talking of Kenya, who is not with us today, you can simply say Mwale wa Maito etago Kenya.
Mwari
wa Maito etago Kenya.
Yeah, my sister is called Kenya.
Wakazi.
Yeah, Mwale wa Maito. So just get those words. Mwale wa Maito, sister. Muro wa Maito, brother. Okay? So make sure that you revise those words. So now when we go to greetings, we will use those words. Okay?
Okay.
For example, officially, instead of just saying we mwega, if you meet your grandmother, maybe she is in Moranga or in Nyeri or anywhere or in Kiabu, whatever. So this is how she will greet you. She will come and she greet each person at a time. Okay? That's how we greet one another in Kikuyu. You don't just go greet people like in a group. You go greeting each by hand, okay? So like your grandmother, you will go to Agnes and say, Wakia Maito. Agnes, you are raising your hand. Yeah, you can ask the question.
So, if there's plural for like greetings, then why would she just greet everybody at once?
Because of respect. In Kikuyu, we don't just generalize everybody. For example, in a house, maybe let's say you are coming, you are visiting, it's on holidays, and your auntie, your uncle, your brother, your sister, your mother, your grandmother in the house, okay? So the reason why you greet each one of them separately is that you want to show respect to each one of them, okay? So the general one is not taken to be good. You are not respecting them. You have not said a good hi to your uncle, to your aunt, to your grandma. So in Kikuyu, you will go greeting each one of them, okay? So if you go to your grandma, this is how you greet her. Wakia shosho.
Wakia shosho.
Can you repeat that? Wakia shosho.
Wakia shosho.
Wakia shosho.
Yes, wakia shosho. And the answer is the same, okay?
Yes.
She will still give you the same greeting back. She will still tell you wakia shosho, okay?
Okay.
So, and that greeting will be used by anybody who is the age of your grandma, okay?
Sure.
Even if she is not your new grandmother. Did you get that?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the greeting used for anybody who is of the age of your grandmother. Yeah. Okay, good. The other one, anybody who is the age of your mother, whether she is your mother, whether she is your aunt, whoever she is, this is how you greet them. Wakia maito.
Wakia maito.
Wakia maito. Wakia maito.
Wakia maito.
Yes, wakia maito.
Wakia maito.
Yeah, wakia maito. That is the greeting used for your mother, for your aunt, anybody who is the age of your mother. Yeah, and that's how they will greet you back, okay? If maybe someone comes to you, Rasheri, and she sees that this girl is the age of my daughter, she will greet you, wakia maito. And then the answer will be the same, wakia maito. If someone comes to you, Agnes, and she looks at you and she sees like, this is like my granddaughter, she will tell you wakia shosho. And then the answer will be the same. You just say wakia
maito.
Wakia shosho. In that case was shosho. So now the other one that we have there is a person who is the age of your father. The word is wakiawa. Wakiawa. That's uses for your father, for your uncle, for anybody who is the age of your
dad.
Yes. So I can see Agi is asking why is the answer the same. So actually this greeting is just like hail my father, like the English word. I know that word maybe you may not have heard it, but hail means like it's like asking how you doing or habari yako, okay? Yeah, so in this case you are just saying hail, the English greeting, hail my mother, hail my
Father.
yeah. So let me just share it here. This is the word, hail my mother. That's like saying wakia maito, hail, and the answer is the same, okay? Even from English. Nice one. Those are the official greetings now. But if you forget these ones, just say wemweka for a single person. For many, you just say mwega. Yeah. But in case someone greets you wakia maito, you just give the same answer. Wakia maito. Yeah, if someone comes and asks and says wakia shosho, you still say wakia shosho. Now the last one is for Domo because now you are girls. Wakiawa.
Wakiawa.
Yeah, but remember you can use the same greeting, okay? But this is now for Dungu. Remember, in Kikuyu, how is a child named? The first son will be named after
the father.
After the father of who?
Father.
Father of the father. In short, your grandmother from your grandfather from which side? From father's?
The father's side.
Yeah. And then the next one, the next son
will be named after your
grandfather from your mother's side.
Yeah, nice one. I see you know these things. What about the first daughter?
She'll be named after the mother of the mother.
Mother of your?
Mother.
Father.
No, actually it is father. We start with the father. Remember, it is you who has gotten married there. So first, you get children who are called after your father. So always the first son and the first daughter will be named after the side of your father. And then the others will. I can see Agnes is saying ladies first. But that is not how it works in tradition. Okay? Yeah, that's how it works. That is not for Kikuyus. Some other community may do it differently, okay? But most of all the Bantus will do the same thing, okay? Yeah, so that is it. That's all about Kikuyu. So now we go to the next. We start singing the syllables. Who is ready to sing the syllables? Let's start with or we can do it in chorus. I can see all of you are raising hands. Yeah, we can do it in chorus. Let's start the first one. Let's see who get it right or wrong.
Okay. So we do it together.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
Somebody missed the sound. No. Somebody missed the sound. Good. Somebody got the sound. Thank you, Agnes. So that sound you said it is fa.
Fa, fe, fi, fo,
Fu, fe, fo.
fe, fo.
Yeah, let's now do it correctly.
I'm coming back.
Okay. The next one.
Sho, she, she.
Try again, Rihanna.
Ka, ke.
No. Ka is in English. We are in Kikuyu.
K.
No. The sound is sha.
Oh, sha, she, she, sho, shu, she, sho.
Sho. Sha, she, she, sho, shu, she, sho. Like the one? Sho. Yeah. Sho. Sha, she, she, sho, shu, she, sho. Sho. The first one could have been like this. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fe, fo. Fa. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fe, fo. Fa. Sha, she, she, sho, shu, she, sho. Sho. Yeah. The other one?
Da, de, di, do, do, de, do.
Da, de, di, do, de. What word can we get from there? I want like do. Who have ever seen do?
Do.
Yes, do.
I was going to say. I said.
What is do?
You can say it after me.
So many people fears do. What is that animal? It's a bird actually.
Okay. I don't know.
Do. I have written the word there.
A do.
Do. It's a bird that has a face that looks like a cat. Which is that bird? It's a bird, but its face looks like a cat.
An owl.
An owl. Good one. Yes, an owl. Doo-doo, an owl. Good one. So that is called doo-doo.
Do.
Yeah.
Then what's do?
Eh?
Then what's do?
No, it is doo-doo. Not
How about
doo-doo.
insect?
Insect in Kikuyu is gatabi. Gatabi. Gatabi.
Insect.
Gatabi. When they are many is tutabi.
Putabi.
Yes. Gatabi, tutabi. But dudu is an owl. The only bird that has a face of a cat. Okay. Let's go to the other one. Let's hear somebody reading that start with. I don't want to give you the sound.
Gagegi. Gagegi gogo.
Ga, ge, yi, go, gu, ge, go. Can we say that? Ge, yi, go, gu, ge, go. Ga, ge, yi, go, gu, ge, go. Yeah, for example, a word like kogega. What is kogega, by the way? Kogega.
To mix.
Kogega.
To cook.
What am I doing? Like, have you got example still like this? For example, Eliana was watching a movie and then all of a sudden she's like this.
To be surprised.
When you are surprised, what do you do?
Make a surprise face.
We stare.
Yeah, it's like that, like to stare. Somebody has said to stare. Thank you, Eliana. That's correct. Like, that is kogega, okay?
Yes.
Kogega. Okay, let's do the other syllable.
Okay.
Let us do the other syllable. The last one in this page. Ga, ge, gi, go, gu, ge, go. Who can give me a word that is in that syllable? There are many here. Eliana, can you try one word that starts with ga? Ga. Ga.
Goa.
Goa, they do. What is Goa?
I don't know.
You don't know. So the first word that you get here is gari.
Shower.
Gari.
Oh yeah, gari.
What is gari?
A car.
What about gui?
A bike.
No, a bike has a different word. Gui is an animal.
What's it called?
Gui. Let me see who can remember. We had it in another class. Gui.
A motorbike.
A motorbike. Not really. Thank you, Dongo. Gui. Gu. A very common animal. And some girls like them so much.
Cat.
Another one. A dog. Yes, thank you. Yes, dog. Gui. Okay. Gui. Yeah, so let's try some other syllables down here. Let's try these ones. Okay.
Ha, he, ho, hu, ha, he.
Ha, he, he, ho, hu,
Ho.
he,
He.
ho, he,
Ho.
ho, ho.
Ho, hu, he, ho.
Yeah,
Ho.
like he ho. What is he ho?
Ho ho.
He ho.
Cold. Like the
Yes, cold. Who said cold?
Agnes.
Ah, thank you, Agnes. He ho, cold. What is hoo?
Ah.
There's another animal called hoo. This animal flies, but it looks like a rat.
Possum.
Which animal is that?
fly.
It is related to possum. Somehow, but not possum. Which animal is that?
Mouse. A mouse.
Those
No, it flies like a bird.
those squirrels that can open up. Like, I
Oh,
can't
like
remember.
squirrels.
Not squirrels. It is mostly found in old houses.
A bat.
A bat. A bat. Who said a bat? Oh, okay. Oh, even Ariana sister, she said the same. A bat. A bat is in Kikuyu is called hoo.
Hoo hoo.
Hoo.
Yes.
Yes, and then we have another big animal here. Huria.
Korea. A lion.
A lion is Morodi. We had it last time. Huria.
Elephant.
It is a big one, but it is not an elephant.
A whale.
Huria.
A motorbike.
Ah, somebody didn't get it. There it comes.
Oh.
Rhino.
Rhino. Huria. Yeah, because Huria actually means to like scoop a lot of soil. You know, Huria likes doing that. Rhino likes doing that. It has a horn here. A horn here and another one here. It has a series of horns that pushes like cutting. Yes, so let's go to the other one.
Jan, Jan, Jun, John, Ju. Jan.
Janjo.
No. Jane.
Jajeji Joju Jejo. Somebody has said Jajo. What is Jajo?
Water.
Eh?
Water.
Oh no, water is my.
Jug.
And people today are not taking notes. You'll forget everything. Then teacher will be sad. Okay. So Jajo. What is Jajo? Jajo. And all of you fears it.
A snake.
It's not an animal.
I'm not a 18 now.
A belt.
Oh.
No, I've never gotten one.
A what?
A vaccine.
I don't think. I think I've got a.
All of you are vaccinated.
Oh yes,
What?
I got the COVID vaccine.
Yeah, vaccine, that is Jajo. I know all of you have been vaccinated against polio, against I don't know what, so many things. Eh?
I've gotten
I've gotten the COVID one.
A COVID one. Why you traveling? Okay, yeah.
I was coming to Kenya.
Oh, you are coming to Kenya. Where were you then?
I was in Zambia.
Oh, you are in Zambia. Yeah, I remember someone who was asked, who was the first president of Zambia?
I don't know.
That person was from Kenya. What do you think they said?
Uhuru Kenyatta.
They said Zabiata. Anyway, they were on. That person was from Kenya. Now he had the first president of Kenya was called Kenyatta. Now he thought the first president of Zambia was Zabiata. But that is not correct. That is not correct, okay? Yeah. Yeah, so the first president of Zambia was called
I don't know.
Kennedy Kauda.
Kennedy.
Kennedy Kauda. That was the first president of Zambia, not Zabiata. Yeah, even if our president was called Kenyatta, it doesn't mean every country will have their own ta. Okay. Okay, if you think like that, you'll still get wrong like that. Boy, you said that. Okay, let us go on. The other one that starts with the letter K.
Kake, kiko, ku, keko.
Can someone make a word using ka, ke, ki, ko, ku, ke, ko for something that all of you like and you find it in a wedding?
Cake.
Yeah, in Kikuyu?
Kakeki.
Keki. Keki.
Kakeki.
No, it is keki.
I said keki.
Yeah, keki. Yeah, you are correct. Keki. Keki.
Mame, momuma.
Yeah, let's try the next one. I can see Elia and I saw it in the next class.
Mame,
Mame,
mo.
No, slowly. You are too fast. You are too fast.
Mame,
Mi, mo, mu, me, mo. Mo. Ma. Let's do together. Let us do together. Ma, me, mi, mo, mu.
My, mo.
Yeah, you need to practice the last two. The last two is me,
mo.
mo. I can see Agnes has already suggested mama. Who is mama?
Your uncle.
Yes, your uncle. Mama. Mama. Yes, Dongo.
I'm making that.
You are making noise.
No, I'm making the snack. He's eating a snack.
You are eating a snack. Oraria K. What are you eating?
Say crisps.
Yes.
Potatoes or arrowroot or those are
Potato.
potatoes, crisps. What is potatoes in Kikuyu? Potato.
Waru.
Waru. Thank you, Eliana, you got it. Waru. Potato. Hi, okay, let's go to the other syllable. Let's do practice for the other syllable there. Na, ne, ni, no, nu, ne, no. Na, ne, ni, no, nu, ne, no.
Tomato.
Somebody is asking, why do we like potatoes? Because the main reason is that they are the commonest. They are the commonest. Like, it's one of the main things that you can put in the food and it's okay. Unlike other, like if you talk of miji, what is miji by the way?
I don't know. Oh no, peas.
Yeah, peas. Like peas. Can you put peas everywhere?
No.
No, in some places, like you can imagine yourself taking peas and what? What can we mix? Peas and and pasta. How will it taste?
Disgusting.
If someone gives you peas and pasta, will it be good?
No.
Oh, it's not be good. Anyway, waru is used to make most of the Kikuyu food. Like if you talk of mokimo, what is mokimo by the way?
Mashed potatoes with
And greens, it's just mashed things. Actually, mokimo means mashed. Okay?
yes.
Mokimo actually just means mashed. So, but anyway, remember that Kikuyu have other kind of foods, and we'll be reading about Kikuyu foods later. Okay?
Okay.
What does no? What does this mean? No.
Huh?
No.
No.
No. Sure.
No. Sure.
No.
No.
What does that mean? No.
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 Actually, no means who.
Who?
Like if I want to ask, who is that? I will ask, no, sure.
No.
No, sure. Who is that?
No.
No, sure.
Oh.
No. Okay? No. No, sure. Who is that?
Me.
No, sure. Who is that? Don't want to anyway. Let's try another one here. No, not that very fast. We are humans. We are humans. We are humans. Slowly.
Yeah.
What's going on in my class here? No, that is very fast. Let's go slowly. Let us go slowly. Ra, re, ri, ro, ru, re, ro. Somebody is making noise in the microphone. I don't know who that person is.
It's you.
What is okay, the one who was making noise. Again, I've been told it is you. What is Leri, Agnes? Leri.
A lorry.
Lorry is Rory. You're almost there. Leri.
A truck.
Eh?
A truck.
Leri. Something big, huge, metallic. People like going to Mombasa with it.
A train.
A train, yes. Leri. But anyway, Leri is now railway, okay?
Oh, that means Jerry.
Yes, railway, Leri. What about Rory?
Rory is
Rory.
I say lorry.
Rory.
Lorry.
By the way, which church do you people go?
What? We don't go to church.
You don't. Okay. So, anyway, Rory just means a sign. Okay. Rory just means a sign. Okay.
Okay.
A sign. Who knows what a sign is? Wonderful. Yeah, that is Rory. Somebody is scribing up here. I don't know where he is going. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's go to the next syllable, please.
Oh, tate tito tu teto.
I have not heard Agnes. Agnes Nakoiba.
Tito, tu, ta, o.
Remember the last two are te-to. Let's be serious a little bit. Te-to. Someone to make a word from here.
Potato.
Eh?
Someone to make a word there before I answer the question Agi is asking.
Tata.
Tata. Who is Tata?
The auntie.
Yes. What is your name?
What's your
I
mother's
just want to know your name.
And also Toto.
What's your name? Wait up, water.
So.
Wait up, water. Wait up, water. Mabia Dadias. Mabia Dadias. Akijua kuongea ataongea. When he knows how to speak, he will speak. For now, he is still 1.5 years. So most of you are still not speaking. He will come and speak when he is of the age of Domo.
Max started speaking when he was like 1 or something.
1! And not just saying mommy and baba like him. He only knows how to say mommy
His first word was my name.
No, Sublime is
No.
mine.
It was mine. He said Gaffer.
Oh, he said Aggie, you. I get an accent,
It
Sarah.
was God. not-
Okay, good. Now we go to the next. No more fights. We go to the next one.
Okay.
Wa.
Wow, where we.
Slowly. I said slowly.
Wa, where,
Wa,
where,
we, wo,
where,
we, wo.
Yeah, good. Now you got the last two correctly. Wa, where, we, wo, woo, we, wo. Like where? Where means you.
you,
Where?
you,
Where Agnes? You Agnes. Where Rihanna? Where? It just mean you. Let's go to the next one.
ya, ye, yi, yo, you, ye, yo.
Ya, ye, he, yo,
You, ye, you. Don't worry about that one. We don't have a word there. Let's get the word down there.
Ya,
Nya. Let's go to the next one.
Ya, nye, nya, nye,
yi, yo, you, ye, yo.
Yeah, nya, nye, nyi, nyo, nyu, nye, nyo. What is nyanya?
Tomatoes.
Yeah, tomatoes. What is nyeni?
Eh?
Nyeni.
I don't know.
Nyeni. Dongo ni rana muno. Dongo is praying in class. We can see you. What is nyeni? Nyeni.
Shush, Max, stop it.
Nyeni.
Far away.
Look, that is gonna picture it.
Nyeni, what is nyeni? Agnes, nyeni.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Uh-huh.
Let's see. Ariana try. Ariana, can you try? Nyeni.
Nyani.
Max, just raise your hand, okay? Just leave it up.
What is nyeni, Dongo?
Max, what is
What is nyeni? Nyeni is simple. Oh, let me write for you there. What is nyeni? Vegetables. Thank you. Nyeni. Jekelani. Add me vegetables. I hope this is the last one. Then we end the class. Bo, boo, be, bo. Agnes has not recited that. Ba, be, be, bo. Dongo, kindly. Dongo, you are disturbing.
Auntie Sarah?
Dongo.
Auntie Sarah?
Dongo, kindly. Dongo is disrupting us. And we wanted him to be a very good student. Up now when he has gotten tired. So he is disturbing Agnes. Okay, no problem. Okay, Dongo, just relax. Stop disturbing again. Don't cry. Baby, don't cry. Baby, don't cry. Okay. Agnes, can you recite the first ones?
Bam, baby, bo, boo, bebo.
Yeah, like the word bebe. What is bebe? Bebe. What is bebe? Dungu tika kulira. What is bebe? Dungu kaidri nyamaza. What is bebe, Agnes? Bebe? Eliana, can you try? Bebe?
Is a child a baby? Oh, carry.
No, baby is mwana. Bebe?
Maybe it could be like a bag or a
carry
bag.
something. Or you're carrying.
It's something that Kikuyus like eating.
Potatoes.
Not potatoes, you say this one. Bebe? And they are eaten together with bosho.
What's bosho?
Oh, beans.
So what is bebe?
Garlic.
What is bebe then? If bosho is beans, it is used to make whatever is used to cook ugali.
Flour.
So it is not ugali. What is it? Ugali is gima.
Flour.
Eh?
Is it flour?
Not now the flour. Now, where do we get flour from?
From maize.
Yeah. So bebe is maize. Yeah, bebe is maize. Okay. What about bibi? What is bibi?
A wife.
Bibi actually is the goat feces. Those parents. Yeah, okay. Let's read the other one.
So.
Who is though? Though? Who is though? Though? Someone try. Someone try. Though? Though?
Pepper.
Though actually means an enemy.
Oh.
What about they?
A friend.
A door is an enemy.
Yeah, so they means earth.
Friend.
Okay? Dunia. They matore this world. Okay, go to the next one. I want us to end the class and sing a song and end the class. Today we are going to wind up with a song.
I love singing.
Oh wow, nice one. Let's see. Maybe you help us sing the song. Anyway, for the time being, let's hear you read the Yeah, so like who can get a word from there? Mwe. What is imwe? Imwe? Hatujafanya counting. I know we have not done counting.
Mwe is one.
Yeah, someone said it correctly. Imwe is one. One. Haya. Mweri. What is mweri?
2.
No, mweri is one of very common. You see it at night.
Mosquito.
Moon. Who said moon? Okay, yeah. Yes, mweri is moon. Eh?
Moon. I said moon.
Yeah, you got it correct. Mweri is moon. So let's do this. Go to the next one. As I prepare the song.
Go, go, go.
Like go. What is it? Go.
Go. A go. A go.
A goat.
Go.
A go. 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 Go.
Go actually is firewood.
Go. Go.
Go is firewood.
Firewood.
Yes, firewood. Firewood is go. Aya.
You have more children.
Yes, I have more children here. I have a big girl here.
How many do you have?
Many. But mine are just 3. Do you want to see them? One is still asleep. The big one is still asleep. She likes sleeping. She's just looking at me from her bed far there. Anyway, no problem. So we have more. So the last one is supposed to be read like this. Nga, nga, nga. That is not ga. That's supposed to be read as nga. Can we say nga? Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu, nge, ngo. Right? Ngobe. What is ngobe?
Cow.
Wow, yeah. Ngobe, cow. Somebody here will fall. Let me just put him down. Okay, yeah, like ngobe. The song is not coming up. I want to put it there in chat. Let me put it in chat so that we can read it from there. There is the song that we are finishing the class with. Can you all see?
Yes.
So let me show you how it is sung. Kanyoni kaja, kanyoni kaja ger kuwaja na mitheko. Dako yatere wa mishore watidako. Dati dako igi Gyararania beregete na dinaino kia magoto mago iriene gwa shosho wa kamero kia mero. That's how the song is sung. So can you try now? Kanyoni kaja geko wajana meveko. Dako yatere wamishore watidako. Dati dako iri gyaragania beregete na beregete na dinaino kia magoto mago iriene gwashosho wa kamerokia. And then you finish by saying mero. Mero. Yeah, so that's the song. Najua mta practice, video. So that we may be singing that song. So the song is all about a Robin band. Who have ever seen a Robin band?
Me.
How does it look like?
What? It's small.
Yeah, a very small bird. A very small bird. So it's a story about a small bird who comes. It's a folklore. So she comes outside and she starts laughing. And then she is asked, "Where were you?" And then she says she has been in a place called Koili. And then she is asked, "What were you doing there?" "I was collecting branches." And then she is asked, then she says she did not bring the whatever she has been collecting home. And then she is asked why. She says they fell into a lake. And then she says the lake belongs to grandmother who swallows. And then she says, "I swallow, Mero, I swallow." So that's the song. That's the song. So let me see. Let me get it on YouTube so that you can go and sing it. And then next time maybe you'll be better. I will give you from another person here. I don't mind where it is. I also have mine that I've recorded somewhere. But let me give you this one here. Can someone see the link that I've shared there?
Yes.
Maybe somebody can open it somewhere there and save it. I'll also set the same too. Let me see what I can do. Yeah, but that's the song. I don't know where it can be sent. Anyway, it's okay. So that's the song. So if you open that one, it will go to YouTube and open for you the song. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, and I can see our time is up. We are already 1 hour and 26 minutes. Thank you, Aggie. Thank you, Eliana. So next time we'll plan it better, okay? So may you have a very good weekend, and make sure that you read Kikuyu, practice, sing the songs, have something that will add more vocabulary to you, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, so thank you so much and goodbye. Do have a good weekend. Bye bye. Bye bye.
I'm listening to that song.
Yeah?
I'm listening to that song.
Okay, good. Continue listening to the song. Yeah, you can do it even after the class. So thank you so much and see you in the next.
Okay, bye.
Bye.